What's up, guys? My name is Jeffrey, and I'm starting this thing. On a real note, though, I want to create content that would express that you can do fun things and love Jesus. I think that the Lord has put real things upon your heart and my heart, and He's given us the desire to create and just to build and establish and lead through natural things. And in this channel, I want to not only communicate things in the scriptures, but I want to have fun. I want to show the world that you can live in this generation, in your 20s, 30s, and beyond, as a young adult, and you can love Jesus and you can have fun doing it. There is a real adventure the Lord is inviting us into, and through this channel, I just want to show you just a little bit about my life that would just encourage you in your walk with Jesus. And I want to just explore and adventure and have fun and just do the things that the Lord has called us to. It's just a little yes before the Lord, and I want to take you on the journey. Take you on the journey where He is leading me and my wife Haley, and I want to bring y'all with us. I want to encourage the one that just is looking for the more in life. There's always something we can put our hands to. There's always something that we can express ourselves through, and I think the Lord is just wanting us to invite Him into those areas of our lives.